Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to this video about Vada Pav, Mumbai's most loved street food. In this video, we'll explore what Vada Pav is, why it's so popular, and what it tastes like. Let's get started. If you've ever wanted a snack that hits crisp, spicy, and comforting in one bite, Vada Pav is the answer. It's Mumbai's most loved street food for a reason. It's cheap, filling, and loud with flavor. In the simplest words, Vada Pav is a spiced potato fritter in a bun. The outside crackles, the inside stays soft, and the bread soaks up chutney like it was made for it, because it was. This guide breaks down what Vada Pav tastes like, what goes into it, how it's made, how to order and eat it, and easy ways to cook a solid version at home. What is Vada Pav and why is it so popular? Vada Pav is a warm, handheld sandwich sold across Mumbai, from train stations to corner stalls. At its core, it's a batata vada, a fried potato dumpling, tucked into a soft pav bread roll, then finished with chutneys and, often, a fried green chili on the side. It fits street food life perfectly. You can eat it fast, with one hand, without plates or fuss. It's also vegetarian, budget-friendly, and satisfying in a way that doesn't feel delicate. One Vada Pav can carry you from late afternoon hunger to dinner. The magic is in the contrast. You get a crunchy shell from the gram flour coating, a fluffy and spiced potato center, and a pillowy bun that calms the heat just enough. Add dry garlic chutney and you'll taste bold, toasty spice. Add green chutney and it turns fresh and herby. Add sweet chutney and the bite softens with a sticky tang. What does Vada Pav taste like? Think of a spicy mashed potato croquette, fried crisp, then stuffed into soft bread with sharp chutneys. If you like spicy snacks, sandwiches, or anything fried and comforting, you'll probably love it. The key parts of a classic Vada Pav. A classic Vada Pav isn't complicated, but every part earns its place. Vada or potato filling. Boiled potatoes mashed with spices like mustard seeds, turmeric, green chili, ginger, and curry leaves. It's savory, warm, and a little sharp. Besan batter or gram flour coating. This turns the potato ball into a fritter. It adds nutty flavor in that crisp shell. Pav or soft bun. Light, slightly sweet, and squishy. It holds the heat and catches the chutney. Dry garlic chutney. Usually the hottest element. It's garlicky, earthy, and spicy, and it clings to the vada. Green chutney or sweet chutney. Green brings fresh heat and herbs. Sweet brings tang and balance. Fried green chili. Optional but common. It's a spicy sidekick. Some people bite it between mouthfuls, some skip it. Vada Pav versus Batata Vada versus Samosa. Batata Vada is a fried potato dumpling with a crisp outside and soft inside, usually served on its own with chutney. Vada Pav is Batata Vada inside a bun, combining a crisp fritter with soft bread, served as a handheld sandwich. Samosa is a spiced filling wrapped in pastry, with a flaky or crunchy shell, usually served as a triangle with chutney. If you want the full Mumbai street snack experience, order Vada Pav. Now you know what Vada Pav is, what goes into it, and why it's such an iconic street snack in Mumbai. In the next video, we'll look at how Vada Pav is made, how to order and eat it like a local, and how you can try making it at home. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.